We're here to talk to IP litigation professionals about challenges that they have with IP workflows and really how superior technology like DISCO can help them solve their problems.
IP litigation can be extremely quick moving with potentially huge volumes of data with these truncated timelines. During the pandemic, everyone lost a lot of the ability to collaborate like this. And I think it really has been just sorely missed. We want to get everyone together here today to talk about ways that we have seen a lot of success in managing this huge volume of data. So a little bit of panel discussion and a lot of sharing and knowledge sharing.
There's a number of factors that make IP litigation so complex. It's very high stakes. It's a lot of very complex data. AI helps us get through complex cases faster.
Generative AI is poised to transform IP litigation. It's poised to transform the entire industry. DISCO has been at the forefront for 10 years.
AI should be seen as an extended member of the team to make the incredible people we work with better at their job.
IP litigators are just as social as everyone else, so getting together to talk about issues that matter to us, talk about how we solve these thorny problems is so valuable.